A $3.4 trillion single market with over 1 billion people is developing new value chains across the African continent. A youthful workforce is ready to turbocharge it. By 2050, 1 in 3 of the world's youth will be African. But you can't trade, chill produce, or code in the dark. Over 500 million people still lack access to electricity. Minigrids are the fastest, least cost way to reach over half of this population. But the sector faces critical barriers, challenging economics, complex regulations, and limited investment. This is where the CrossBoundary Minigrid Innovation Lab comes in, combining collaboration, innovation, and data to realize minigrid scale across the continent.
At the Innovation Lab, we solve problems through systematic testing of real-world innovations. We work with partners to define hypotheses on how we think these innovations will impact the minigrid business model. Then we test these innovations on the ground. We collect data from those field trials and then conduct analysis to test against this initial hypothesis to either prove or disprove those initial hypotheses.
Our analysis maps how each innovation impacts revenue and cost, showing the internal rate of return improvements as they are implemented. Today, we estimate that the optimal combination of these prototypes yields an approximate 12% IRR, the target for infrastructure investment thresholds.
Thereafter, we share our findings with the sector and we scale those that are most high impact.
Our approach is built on 3 proven principles: focusing on user-centered design, employing rapid iteration to move from idea to implementation quickly, and being relentlessly data-driven. This methodology has enabled us to identify 5 key ingredients for minigrid success. First, a supportive regulatory framework that creates certainty for investors. Second, site selection and portfolio building tied to national least cost electrification planning. Third, cost-reducing technologies and digital tools to increase operational efficiency. Fourth, consumer-friendly appliance financing programs that enable income generation and productive use of electricity. And finally, a bankable program architecture that includes access to local currency financing, forex hedges, and smart subsidies to bridge any resultant viability gap.
The work of the lab has a strong complement to our work in the publication of our flagship report, the Benchmarking Africa's Minigrid Report. So we see the lab as a strong partner towards achieving the necessary data and information that informs various stakeholders, including policymakers, investors, and setting this sector to scale.
Since the lab was launched 5 or 6 years ago, we've seen minigrid companies raise $600 million and build over 3,000 minigrids.
Since 2018, we've tested everything from smart tariffs to appliance financing, creating an evidence base that's transforming how the sector operates.
Looking forward, this is really only the beginning. The International Energy Agency estimates that to reach their full potential and bring power to everybody on the continent, minigrids need another $84 billion.
Evenew's collaboration with the CrossBoundary Innovation Lab provided the crucial funding needed to pilot our appliance financing model across 3 rural communities, alongside testing mesh-grade and grid densification solutions. Through this partnership, we have deepened our technical understanding and informed ongoing efforts towards scaling models that enhance the financial viability of rural electrification initiatives.
We are not just researching the future of energy access. We build it, we test it, and we prove it. We're working hard to build and power the future for our fellow Africans.